Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen Golf GTI. Now, for America, we don't get the Mark 8 yet, so we have another year of the Mark 7. Total price on this one's $33,994. Pure white over Titan black with the 6-speed manual. I'm gonna hop inside because it's freaking cold out. Oh. Give me a little bit of heat. That's all I ask for. Just a little bit. Nice sunroof. 6-speed manual, of course. Of course, tribute to the original Golf ball shifter has remained. Something I think is pretty cool. I didn't notice it on the last GTI I drove, but it has almost like BMW's gesture control where you can swipe between pages with your presets. You can swipe through them. Come on. I have to find where the sensor is. I think it's right down here. But obviously, you can still touch it. But it's pretty cool. Heated seat works nicely. Gonna be driving it in sport mode. Yeah, I didn't think that would work. Go normal sport. Haha! So it has auto throttle application when you're releasing the clutch if you watch the RPM gauge. Once I get to the engagement point, it revs it up, which means my foot's here. You can set it off without using the throttle pedal. Like I stated, outside, while Europe and everywhere else gets the Mark 8, North America gets another year of the Mark 7 for 2021. Though we should be getting the Mark 8 soon, I say within a couple months. Even though the DSG is absolutely fantastic, the manual really suits the GTI. It just makes it really such a fun to drive commuter car. Passing power is plentiful from that 2.0 turbo. Rev matching is nice and easy. Pedals are spaced very, very well for it. That's the tow hook back there. That golf ball shifter is really, really nice to use. These things are so much fun to drive. I absolutely love them. Very, very excited to drive the Mark 8 once we get one in. Because I'm very, very curious to see how they improve it, how the feel of everything is. Overall, guys, I mean, Mark 7 GTI is just fantastic any way you put it. Matter of fact, I'm bringing this one back to go grab a S DSG, so it'll be kind of cool to drive them back to back, which that video should be coming tomorrow. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.